Hello.
Hello!
Hi, my name is Christine calling you from your TV service. How are you doing today?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm doing good. Thank you so much for asking. God bless you. Reason of my call is that recently we have made some changes in our main frequency or the signal. That's why we need to update your receiver box. Is by any chance? Are you watching the TV right now? Your TV is on?
Yes, my TV is on.
Please grab the remote control in your hand.
Okay, and what do I do now?
Yes.
So I have the remote control in my hand,
And what is written down at the bottom or back side of your remote control? Any company name logo. Which company remote control do you have at your home?
Well, this is the logo that I see.
Sorry?